Today, we will explore a different way to build standard operating procedures. Not by writing documents first, but by shaping decisions through structured conversations. This methodology is called DocuCraft. Using an electric vehicle marketing SOP as a case study, we will walk through how an SOP is formed step by step from simple confirmations and clear choices to a fully operational, audit-ready document. DocuCraft is not about writing faster. It is about making decisions explicit, aligned, and traceable so the final SOP is not only well written, but truly usable in real operations. In many organizations, standard operating procedures fail not because the content is wrong, but because the way they are created does not reflect how people actually work. SOPs are often too theoretical, difficult to understand, and written in a top-down manner with little real dialogue. As a result, they become administrative documents instead of practical tools for daily operations. DocuCraft starts from this problem. It shifts SOP development from a one-way writing process into an iterative, conversation-driven methodology where real operational decisions shape the document from the very beginning. DocuCraft is a conversation-driven documentation framework. Instead of starting with writing, it starts with asking the right questions and confirming decisions. In DocuCraft, every section of an SOP is shaped through structured dialogue. Each question leads to a clear decision, and each decision directly influences the document. Artificial intelligence in DocuCraft acts as an authoring assistant, not a replacement for humans. It helps structure questions, maintain consistency, and control changes. The result is a document that is not only well organized, but also traceable, auditable, and closely aligned with real operational needs. DocuCraft is built on a small set of clear but disciplined principles that guide the entire documentation process. The first principle is confirm first. No writing begins before context and direction are explicitly agreed. The second is one question, one decision, where every prompt is designed to produce a clear outcome. The third principle is canvas first, meaning each chapter is authored in its own focused workspace. The fourth is locking and life cycle, which ensures every artifact has a clear status. And finally, manifest-based merge guarantees that documents are combined in a controlled and auditable way. At the heart of DocuCraft is a conversation-driven methodology. Documents are not written all at once. Instead, they are built through a sequence of small, explicit decisions. Each step begins with a clear question. Even short answers represent meaningful decisions that directly shape the document. This approach eliminates hidden assumptions. Every change happens because it was explicitly confirmed. As a result, the SOP evolves in a controlled, traceable way, accurately reflecting real operational intent rather than guesswork. To understand DocuCraft as a complete system, it helps to look at the full methodology flow. The process starts with confirming context and language, followed by agreeing on the document structure. Once the structure is locked, each chapter is authored individually, then iterated and clarified through controlled decisions. After chapters are locked, operational attachments are created, documents are merged using a manifest, and the final SOP is exported. This flow ensures the SOP is built step by step, consistent, auditable, and ready for real-world use. Stage 1 in DocuCraft is the initial confirmation. At this point, no writing happens yet. The focus is on locking the correct context. DocuCraft asks simple but critical questions: what language should the document use, who is the intended audience, and what is the purpose of the SOP? Although these questions seem basic, the answers determine the direction of the entire document. By confirming and locking context at the very beginning, DocuCraft eliminates misalignment, reduces rework, and prevents major corrections later. Every step that follows is built on this initial decision. In Stage 2, DocuCraft treats the document structure as an explicit working contract, not as a temporary outline. The proposed SOP structure is presented clearly, covering all major sections from introduction to closing. Before any writing begins, this structure must be reviewed and approved. Once approved, the structure is locked. This means no chapters are written outside the agreed scope. If changes are needed, they must be explicitly confirmed again. By locking the structure early, DocuCraft ensures alignment, prevents scope drift, and keeps the entire documentation process controlled and transparent. After the structure is approved, DocuCraft moves into the authoring phase. However, writing is not done all at once. Each chapter is written independently using a dedicated canvas. This canvas-first approach ensures full focus on one chapter at a time. A chapter can be written, reviewed, and revised without affecting other parts of the document. By isolating each chapter, DocuCraft makes changes safer and more controlled. It eliminates accidental edits across sections and keeps the documentation process clean, structured, and easy to manage. Once a chapter is drafted, DocuCraft does not immediately move forward. The next step is controlled iteration and clarification. Instead of vague feedback, DocuCraft uses focused prompts with clear options, such as A, B, or C. Each option represents a specific direction for improvement. This turns revision into a decision-making process. Every change is intentional, explicit, and traceable. As a result, the document improves systematically, without ambiguity or uncontrolled edits. After a chapter has gone through writing and iteration, DocuCraft enters the locking stage. At this point, the content is considered final and cannot change without explicit approval. Each artifact in DocuCraft follows a clear life cycle from draft, to reviewed, to locked. This makes it immediately clear which parts of the document are still open for discussion and which are final. By enforcing locking and life cycle status, DocuCraft ensures consistency, prevents silent changes, and produces documents that are safe for implementation and ready for audit. A standard operating procedure becomes truly useful only when it is supported by operational artifacts. In DocuCraft, attachments are not optional extras, they are core components. These attachments may include process flowcharts, operational checklists, working forms, and KPI reporting templates. They translate policy into concrete actions on the ground. Each attachment is created as a separate artifact, reviewed independently, and locked before being merged. This ensures the SOP is not just readable, but genuinely usable in daily operations. After all chapters and attachments are locked, DocuCraft moves to the controlled merge stage. This merge is never done randomly. Every document and attachment is listed in a manifest, including its name, status, and merge order. Only artifacts that are fully locked are allowed to enter this stage. By using a manifest-based merge, the final SOP becomes consistent, traceable, and version-safe. The document can then be exported to official formats such as Word or PDF without losing its decision history. At this point, the difference becomes clear. A conventional SOP is usually written once, follows a top-down approach, and often fails to reflect how work is actually done. A DocuCraft-based SOP is built iteratively through conversation. Every decision is explicit, every section is operational, and the document evolves in alignment with real workflows. This is the difference between a document that is simply read and a system that is actually used in daily operations. Beyond writing better SOPs, DocuCraft delivers strategic value for organizations. It helps standardize operations without losing real-world context. Every conversation during SOP creation becomes captured knowledge. Decisions, assumptions, and rationale are preserved, so critical understanding is not lost when people change roles. By combining human judgment with AI-assisted structure, DocuCraft enables continuous improvement while maintaining governance, accountability, and audit readiness at scale. To conclude, DocuCraft is not just a tool for writing documents. It is a way of thinking and working. Through structured conversations, small decisions are made explicitly, confirmed, and locked. From these decisions, an SOP is built step by step, consistent, traceable, and defensible. With DocuCraft, documents are no longer static files. They become living operational systems understood by users, aligned with reality, and ready for use or audit at any time.